Hi everyone, I'm back on the Sunrise Ridge Library website on the online resources page, and for this video I'm going to look at Learn 360. Now, Learn 360 does offer a virtual space for you to manage and share with your students. You could do things like set up groups that you want to discuss a project on a discussion board. You can create assignments, you can put important dates on a calendar for students to see, and students will be able to log into this at home and also in the classroom. If you're interested in that side of Learn 360, then please feel free to come talk with me in the library. For this video, I'm going to focus on streaming video content on Learn 360. In order to log in, you use your Surrey Schools email for username, and your password is a unique password for Learn 360. It's posted in the photocopy room, or you can stop by the library. I'm going to show two ways to search for content on Learn 360. You can do a keyword search and also include some filters in an advanced search, or you can browse by learning standards. So I'm interested in finding a video about space, so I could always type in space as a keyword and do a quick search. However, in the case of space, technology changes so rapidly, and if I just do a keyword search, I'm going to be getting some old content as well as new content. Just because it's on Learn 360 doesn't mean it's new resources, because a lot of old resources have now been digitized and added. So I would like new information, so I'm going to keyword search space still. I'm going to add my grade level to narrow it down a little bit. And I'm also going to say that I want them to be 2007 or newer. Now for our late immersion teachers, there is a lot of French content offered on Learn 360, and you can always search exclusively for content delivered in French by clicking a language here and adding that filter. I'm going to search just with those couple filters on. And it's bringing back 373 results. So I might want to narrow my search further on the left-hand side, or I could browse through. Anytime you see this resource, it means that there's a learning resource connected with this video that offers lessons as well as extension activities. And you can also click the standards to see what provincial standards this video connects with, as well as 21st century learning skills. I noticed this video is focusing on the question, what is it like leaving Earth? And astronaut Chris Hadfield answers that question. I also note that it's only 1 minute and 26 seconds, so I think it might be a good hook to start my space unit with. I'm going to click on that video. And after watching that video in its entirety and deciding that the content is good for my students, then I might want to decide to download the video. A lot of teachers are worried about using our streaming sites because they know that our connection isn't so great. There will be issues with buffering maybe, or loading the video, but if you download it ahead of time by clicking download, then you would be able to view the video offline. Once I've downloaded it, I'm in Google Chrome, so that's appeared in the bottom left corner. I can always show it in the Finder and change the file name so it's easier for me to find. Or if I'm unaware of where my default downloads goes, then I could also show it in the Finder for that reason. If I think this might be a video I want to use later, I can always add it to my favorites. My favorites can be found by clicking on My Learn 360 and clicking favorites. I've got a few videos there. I'm going to go back to home and show you the other way to search. You could also search by finding learning standards that you're interested in teaching. So the provincial standards, I'm going to look at math in grade 2, and I'm looking for shape. So this one says shape and space. There's 61 resources. So I'm going to click that. And 61 is a lot of resources to go through, so I'm going to go on the left-hand side to narrow my search. I'm only looking for videos about shape. Okay, so I can look through those. I think shapes in the real world might match the learning that I'm trying to introduce with a video clip. It is 21 minutes, so I'm going to have to watch that in its entirety before I decide I want to download it, or I might add it to my favorites for later. Okay, that was just a really short introduction to streaming with Learn 360. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.